Welcome to our video on 10 unknown sports from around the world. From the mountains of Central Asia to the beaches of the South Pacific, these sports offer a glimpse into the unique cultures and traditions of their respective regions. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new video notification. Please like, share and do comments on video. Number 10 in our list is the Buzkashi, is a traditional sport played in Afghanistan, where horsemen compete to grab and hold onto a goat carcass. The goal is to take the carcass to a designated area while fending off other players. Number 9 in our list is the Sepak Takraw, Southeast Asia. Sepak Takraw is a sport that originated in Southeast Asia, where players use their feet, knees, chest, and head to keep a rattan ball in the air over a net. It's like volleyball, but with no hands. Number 8 in our list is the Kokboru, Kyrgyzstan. Kokboru, also known as Buzkashi on horseback, is a sport played in Central Asia where two teams on horseback compete to throw a goat carcass into the opposing team's goal. It's a test of strength, agility, and horsemanship. Number 7 in our list is the hurling, Ireland. Hurling is a traditional Irish sport that combines elements of field hockey, lacrosse, and rugby. Players use a wooden stick called a hurley to hit a small ball, or schlitter, into the opposing team's goal. Number 6 in our list is the capoeira, Brazil. Capoeira is a martial art and dance that originated in Brazil during the era of slavery. It's characterized by acrobatic movements and kicks, and is often accompanied by music played on traditional instruments. Number 5 in our list is the bossa ball, Spain. Bossa ball is a sport that combines elements of volleyball, soccer, and gymnastics, and is played on a specially designed inflatable court. Players jump on trampolines to spike a ball over a net, while a DJ provides music and commentary. Number 4 in our list is the Calcio Storico, Italy. Calcio Storico, or historic football, is a sport played in Florence, Italy, that dates back to the 16th century. It's a violent and intense game that combines elements of soccer, rugby, and wrestling, and is played on a dirt field. Number 3 in our list is the Pato, Argentina. Pato, which means duck in Spanish, is a sport played in Argentina that combines elements of polo and basketball. Players ride horses and try to score goals by throwing a ball through a high ring while holding onto a duck-shaped ball holder. Number 2 in our list is the Kho-Kho, India. Kho-Kho is a sport played in India, where two teams of 9 players each try to tag as many players on the opposing team as possible in a circular field. The game is fast-paced and requires agility and teamwork. Number 1 in our list is the bullfighting, Spain. Bullfighting is a controversial sport that's been a part of Spanish culture for centuries. It involves a matador facing off against a bull in a ring, using a cape and sword to perform a series of carefully choreographed moves. So there you have it, 10 unknown sports from around the world. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.